You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular Nollywood actress Foluke Daramola Salako recently disclosed that she feels guilty about the death of veteran actor Baba Legba. According to Foluke Daramola, a mother of two, she said she got carried away by her new business venture and was unable to regularly check on the veteran actor Baba Legba before his death. Foluke Daramola, speaking out in an Instagram post, she wrote, check out photos from the burial.